This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall. Expansive renovated 4-bedroom and 2-bath pool home in sought-after Whispering Pines. Home boasts a bright and open floor plan, generous chef's kitchen including granite and stainless appliances, neutral tile flooring throughout. Home sits on large 15,000 square feet lot and includes separate shed. Carport has room for 2 cars. Living sliders open to screened-in pool area, perfect for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall at 954-296-7700.